everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika and I do post makeup related videos on my channel. And if you are seeing this face for the first time, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Today's video is about a challenge makeup video. It's 30-minute versus 3-minute makeup challenge. I tried to do it, so let's quickly jump into the video and see how I achieved this look. I've already done my base because it's impossible to do your base makeup along with your whole face in just 3 minutes. I'm starting by concealing my eyelids, and after that I'll be applying compact powder over my eyelid to set my concealer. And then I'll be starting my eye makeup by picking up
this brown shade from the eyeshadow palette, but first I'll apply cello tape and after that I'll apply the eyeshadow onto my lids.
Now I'm picking up this maroonish sort of a shade and I'm applying it on the outer V of my eyelid. I'm majorly focusing it on the outer V and then I'll slowly bring it towards the inner side of my eyelid. Also guys, I have done this makeup look in 30 minutes, but I have cut some parts of this video and made this video a little shorter because it would be too long if I'll show you the whole 30-minute video step by step. As you can see that I'm drawing a cut crease and I'm drawing it with the help of a small definer brush, and then I'll spread the concealer with the help of a flat shader brush. Now I'm picking up this silver shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'll apply it on the top of my cut crease. Now I'm applying a kajal closure towards my upper lash line and then I'll smudge it out with the help of a definer brush to make it look like an eyeliner. I'm removing the cello tape and you can see how clean my eye makeup is looking. I'm applying the same brown eyeshadow closure towards my lower lash line with the help of a pencil brush. And I am applying a shimmery silver shade on the 1/3 of my lower lash line with the help of a definer brush. To finish up the eye makeup, I am applying a mascara, and with this my eye makeup is complete. Now I am going to add some dimensions to my face, so I am going to contour my face, but I'll only contour the half of my face and the other half I'll try to do in 3 minutes. So I'm contouring the hollows of my cheekbones, my jawline and my forehead. And then I'm applying some blush and I'm picking up the same eyeshadow palette and I'm picking a pink shade from that eyeshadow palette and I'm applying it on the top of my cheekbones, my chin. And now the last part, I'm applying a highlighter on the highest points of my face, and I'm also highlighting my brow bone as well. This whole half of my face I have done in 30 minutes and I have to do the other half in just 3 minutes. So let's see how much I can do in 3 minutes. As you can see, I have applied cello tape on the outer V of my eyelid and now I am applying this brown shade. Firstly focusing it towards the outer V of my eyelid and then slowly bringing it towards the inner side. In this 3-minute makeup look, I have not cut any part of this video, so you can see how much mistake I make during shooting a video. I'm blending the eyeshadow so slowly as if I have so much time. And here I'm searching for the eyeshadow palette. And yeah, so I got it. So I'm picking up this maroonish sort of a shade and I'm applying it on the outer V of my eyelid and then I'll slowly bring it towards the inner side of my eyelid. And now I'm drawing a cut crease with the help of a small definer brush, trying to repeat the same steps again. I know I'm taking a lot of time. I'm not sure that I can do it in 3 minutes, but I can try. I don't know why I'm doing it so slow. But this is a non-edited video, so I hope you can understand why it's looking slow. Now I'm searching for something. Yeah, I was searching for this eyeshadow palette and I'm picking up this shimmery silver shade and I'm applying it on the top of my concealer. And now I'm applying the maroon shade closer towards my lower lash line. After that I'm applying a kajal closer towards my upper lash line and then I'll smudge it out with the help of a definer brush. Now I'm removing my sellotape and after that I'm giving some finishing touches to my eye makeup. I am applying shimmery silver shade closer towards my lower lash line, closer towards my inner corner. And after that I'll be applying mascara to finish up my eye makeup. I don't know why I am taking so much time while applying mascara, as if I have so much time left. Now I am contouring my face and I am applying contour on the hollows of my cheekbones, my jawlines, my forehead, and after that I'll apply blush. And I'm picking up this blush from this eyeshadow palette. For so long I'm picking the blush only. And after that I'll apply highlighter, which is the last part of this 3-minute makeup look. I'm not including lipstick in 3-minute makeup because in 30-minute makeup also I did not apply lipstick. I'll include only face makeup and eye makeup in this 30-minute versus 3-minute makeup challenge. Here I am highlighting my brow bones and inner corners, and after that I'll apply lipstick, and with lipstick my whole makeup look will be complete. This is the final finished look of my 3-minute versus 30-minute makeup look, in which I think I am failed. Yeah, because this 3-minute makeup look I have done it in 5 minutes. But I tried this makeup challenge. I hope you all really enjoyed watching this video, and if you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And you can also follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys with a brand new video. Till then, bye, take care.